Hi everyone, it's Lisa with Lelesdesigns. Today I will show you how to make this t-shirt for your American Girl doll or your 18-inch doll. But before we get started, I want to share this tip with you on how to use an old t-shirt. If you're going to use an old shirt and it's a kid size and it's a 1/2 inch in height, then go ahead and use it because it's professionally done. It looks so much nicer, less work we have to do. If you're going to do it that way, grab your pattern, fold it on the hemline, and then line it up with the bottom of the shirt and trace it. Here is the end result of the pre-hem. See how nice it looks? And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make this sleeve from an old t-shirt. So stay tuned. With the seam, the center seam right there, right sides together. We're going to go along and pin it. to do is our velcro. So grab some velcro. I'm using a 3/8 inch wide strip of velcro, and you can choose the length you like. And you want to put one on the outside, one on the inside. Take it to the sewing machine and attach it. Now we'll take it to the sewing machine and sew a 1/4 inch from the edge. And you want to repeat this process for the other sleeve. Once you get done attaching both sleeves, open it up and you can pull on these strings, and that will take your base stitch out. That's how you make a puff sleeve from a pre-made shirt. Congratulations everyone, we are done. Here's what the shirt looks like finished. These two shirts are made from a pre-made shirt purchased at Walmart. Next up is the white and beige shirt. It's made from a knit material purchased at a fabric store. My next video will show you how to make an iron-on for these shirts. Once I post that video, you can find it down below in the description. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, you want to hit the subscribe button along with the bell, so this way you'll be notified when my next video comes out. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone.